Ever pondered what secrets the ground beneath our feet might hold? As we tread on the surface of our planet, many of us might not realize that we're walking on a hidden universe teeming with life. It's easy to dismiss soil as mere dirt, but that couldn't be further from the truth. Soil is a living, breathing entity, a complex ecosystem that supports a multitude of organisms. Picture this: beneath each footstep you take, there are more microorganisms than there are people on Earth. From bacteria to fungi, from tiny insects to burrowing mammals, these unseen denizens form a bustling community that is vital for our planet's health and sustainability. These organisms not only break down organic matter into nutrients that feed our plants, but they also play a crucial role in the carbon cycle, helping to regulate our climate. So are you ready to explore this unseen realm? Prepare to be amazed as we delve into the fascinating world beneath the soil. Dirt is not just lifeless matter, it's a bustling city of microscopic inhabitants. Imagine this: just beneath the surface of the ground we walk on, there exists a metropolis teeming with life. The soil, often viewed as nothing more than a medium for plant growth, is actually home to a breathtaking variety of organisms, each playing its own unique role in maintaining the fertility of the soil and aiding plant growth. Let's start with bacteria. These microscopic creatures are the true workers of the soil. They break down organic matter, releasing nutrients into the soil that are essential for plant growth. It's estimated that a single teaspoon of rich soil can hold up to 1 billion bacteria. That's more than the entire human population of the world. Next, we have fungi. Often associated with mushrooms, fungi play a much broader role in the soil ecosystem. They decompose organic matter and form symbiotic relationships with plants, helping them absorb water and nutrients. Some fungi even act as a natural pesticide, protecting plants from harmful insects and diseases. Then we have the more visible inhabitants of the soil, the earthworms and ants. Earthworms, often referred to as nature's plows, burrow through the soil, creating channels that improve soil structure and water retention. They also feed on organic matter and excrete nutrient-rich castings that improve soil fertility. Ants, on the other hand, are the architects of the soil world. Their colonies, which can extend several meters deep into the soil, help aerate the earth and improve its structure. They also play a crucial role in recycling nutrients by collecting and storing organic matter in their nests. All these creatures, from the microscopic bacteria to the industrious ants, work together to maintain the health and fertility of the soil. They break down organic matter, recycle nutrients, and improve soil structure, making it a more hospitable place for plant growth. So you see, these tiny soil dwellers are the unsung heroes of our ecosystem. Ever heard of the soil food web? It's not a fancy restaurant for earthworms, but it's equally intriguing. Imagine the bustling city streets teeming with life where each entity has a role to play. Now take that image and shrink it down to a handful of soil. That's the soil food web in action, a complex network of interconnected organisms, each playing a vital role in maintaining the health and fertility of the soil. The soil food web is not just about the creatures we can see. It's an intricate ecosystem that includes the tiniest of bacteria, microscopic fungi, all the way up to the more familiar earthworms and beetles. It's a world where the death and decay of one organism provide the sustenance for another, creating a cycle that keeps the soil ecosystem thriving. Take, for instance, a fallen leaf. You might think it's the end of its journey, but it's only the beginning of a new one. As it decays, it's broken down by decomposers like bacteria and fungi, releasing nutrients back into the soil. These nutrients are then scooped up by plants, providing them with the nourishment they need to grow. But the food web doesn't stop there. These plants, in turn, are eaten by herbivores, which are then consumed by predators. Even after death, these organisms continue to play a role in the food web as their bodies decompose and return nutrients back to the soil. In this complex dance of life and death, every organism, no matter how small, plays a crucial role. The bacteria and fungi break down organic matter, the earthworms aerate the soil and mix in organic matter, the insects and other invertebrates help with decomposition and nutrient cycling. It's like a symphony where each player is essential for the music to continue. Each organism, each interaction, each moment of life and death contributes to the balance and health of the soil. This intricate web of life ensures the health of our soil and in turn, the health of our planet. But what happens when humans interfere with these delicate ecosystems? The answer, unfortunately, is not a positive one. Our activities, from deforestation to pollution, overfarming to reckless urbanization, all contribute to the disruption and degradation of these precious soil ecosystems. Think about it, when we clear vast tracts of forest, we're not just felling trees, we're wiping out whole communities of organisms that rely on the complex interplay of life beneath the surface. Similarly, pollution, whether from industrial waste, agricultural runoff, or discarded trash, seeps into the soil, poisoning the very bedrock of life. Overfarming too takes a toll. By stripping the soil of its nutrients year after year, we're effectively starving these subterranean communities, throwing the whole soil food web out of balance. This results in soil degradation, a phenomenon that's as devastating as it is widespread. Our actions have a profound impact on these hidden ecosystems, and it's high time we paid attention. So why should we care about what happens beneath our feet, you may ask? Well, it's simple. The health of our soil is the foundation of life as we know it. It's the unsung hero, the engine of our planet, driving everything from food production to climate regulation. Every creature we've spoken about, from the tiniest microorganism to the largest earthworm, plays a vital role in this intricate system. They work together to break down organic matter, recycle nutrients, and create rich, fertile soil that supports all life on Earth. But it's not just about them, it's about us too. Soil health directly impacts our survival, providing us with food, purifying our water, and even helping to combat climate change by storing carbon. This is a call to action. It's time we all took responsibility for protecting and preserving these precious soil ecosystems. Remember, every step we take is a step on a world teeming with life. Let's tread lightly.